Can you send an email to somebody explaining how you want your assets distributed upon your death and have that considered a will in Georgia? Hi, I'm Joel Beck with the Beck Law Firm, LLC, and in today's short video, I'll answer that question. So I had an interesting situation earlier this week. The question presented effectively was, can I just send an email to somebody saying that it's my will and outline where I want my things to go when I die and have that be a valid will in Georgia? The answer is no, absolutely not, because that type of situation does not meet the requirements for a valid will in Georgia. There's really 5 things that you have to have a valid will in Georgia. First off, the person making the will has to have the capacity, what we call the testamentary capacity, to be able to make a rational decision as to how they want their assets divided when they die, who they want to be in charge of that process, for example, and that they're making the will freely and voluntarily. So they have to have capacity. Second, the person making the will, the testator, has to be at least 14 years of age or older. Third, the will must be written. And fourth, it has to be signed. So an unsigned email that's not printed out and signed by the testator certainly isn't going to fall in that category. But then the 5th thing you need at least 2 witnesses who signed the will as well. And those should be disinterested witnesses, meaning that they're not going to inherit anything under the will and they're not named in the will in any fiduciary role, such as executor, guardian, or trustee, anything like that. So the answer to the question of, can I just type out an email and send it to people and have that be considered a valid will in Georgia, is no. Now, if you've got more questions about wills and trust and healthcare directives, powers of attorney, and estate planning here in Georgia, I invite you to contact us or go online to peachstatewills.com, click on free info at the top, and request our free guide to estate planning in Georgia. It's going to provide an overview of the main documents that we use, and it will answer a lot of the frequently asked questions we receive. You can get that online 24/7, no strings attached. peachstatewills.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.